Hi, in this session we will be learning more about the plugin named Dokan. This is Dokan, which is also called as the multi-vendor e-commerce solution for the WordPress, which is the heart for any multi-vendor solution. So this is the plugin that we will be using for our website. So it's an amazing plugin which has its own amazing front-end dashboard for the users or the sellers who will be selling their products, and you will be able to get commissions from them from this plugin. This plugin have both free version and also the premium version. For the free version you can download the plugin from the WordPress directory, and for the premium you will need to pay the price in the pricing section, and you will be able to get the plugin. There are many features that you can get from this plugin. For example, it's WooCommerce ready. So if you have a WooCommerce plugin, this plugin is compatible with the WooCommerce. You have detailed reports and statements like the WooCommerce provide you. So every seller will have their own dashboard for the reports and statements. So it's compatible with multiple product types like variable, simple and downloadable products. Also, they provide the best docs for you to be able to understand the full functionality of the Dokan plugin. So, Dokan has their own add-ons that you will be able to integrate, and I will be adding more courses for them. For example, you can add Dokan WooCommerce booking for booking websites. You can add Stripe checkout, Dokan auction, subscription, and there are many more. So let's start with the Dokan. So let me show you the pricing. So it has five types of pricing plans, which is the free, which you can get from the WordPress directory. Second is the starter, then the professional, then business, and the enterprises. So you get a 14-day money back guaranteed with them, and these are the specs of the different plans. So we will be starting with the free plan. Also, I have a business plan with me, so if you want it, just message me. I'll be able to provide you